Hi guys, I'm Teacher Batul and welcome to my ESL Nook, where you'll find lots of fun little tidbits to help you with your English learning. So today we'll explore 10 advanced vocabulary words to replace common ones we use every day. So let's get started. Okay, so the first one we have here is good. Outstanding. The student received an outstanding grade on her project. Happy. Ecstatic. Winning the championship made the team ecstatic. Sad. Despondent. After hearing the news, she felt despondent for days. Big. Massive. The company announced a massive expansion plan. Small. Minute. The ants are so minute that you can barely see them. Nice. Gracious. He thanked the host for the gracious hospitality. Bad. Atrocious. The service at the restaurant was atrocious. Smart. Ingenious. Her ingenious solution solved the problem quickly. Funny. Hilarious. The comedian's jokes were hilarious, and the audience couldn't stop laughing. Tired. Exhausted. After a long day of hiking, we were all exhausted. Thanks guys for hanging out at my ESL Nook, and if you enjoyed these tidbits and want more fun English videos like these, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video!